Close the door. Don't close the door. Will you close the door? Sit down, please. Don't sit down here. Will you sit down? Open the window. Don't open the window. Can you open the window? Take your books. Don't take my books. Can you take your books? Wash your hands. Don't wash your hands now. Could you wash your hands? Be quiet. Don't be noisy. Will you be quiet? Help me, please. Don't help him. Can you help me? Come here. Don't come here. Will you come here? Listen carefully. Don't listen to him. Can you listen carefully? Stand up. Don't stand up yet. Will you stand up? Take a seat. Don't take a seat there. Could you take a seat? Write your name. Don't write your name here. Will you write your name? Read the book. Don't read that book. Can you read the book? Say it again. Don't say it now. Will you say it again? Look at me. Don't look at him. Can you look at me? Turn off the light. Don't turn off the light. Will you turn off the light? Be careful. Don't be careless. Will you be careful? Finish your work. Don't finish your work late. Can you finish your work? Go to bed. Don't go to bed now. Will you go to bed? Eat your dinner. Don't eat too fast. Can you eat your dinner? Call me later. Don't call me now. Will you call me later? Don't forget your keys. Forget them now? Will you not forget your keys? Tell the truth. Don't tell lies. Can you tell the truth? Be kind. Don't be rude. Will you be kind? Take your time. Don't take too much time. Can you take your time? Watch TV. Don't watch too much TV. Will you watch TV? Don't run. Running is dangerous. Will you not run? Stop talking. Don't talk now. Can you stop talking? Don't smoke here. Smoking is prohibited. Will you not smoke here? Clean your room. Don't clean it now. Can you clean your room? Turn right. Don't turn right here. Will you turn right? Turn left. Don't turn left. Can you turn left? Open your book. Don't open your book yet. Will you open your book? Close the window. Don't close the window now. Can you close the window? Help your friends. Don't help strangers. Will you help your friends? Sit still. Don't move. Can you sit still? Be happy. Don't be sad. Will you be happy? Listen to music. Don't listen to loud music. Can you listen to music? Stay here. Don't stay outside. Will you stay here? Take a break. Don't take a long break. Can you take a break? Be on time. Don't be late. Will you be on time? Pay attention. Don't ignore. Can you pay attention? Use your phone. Don't use your phone now. Will you use your phone? Be polite. Don't be rude. Will you be polite? Eat healthy food. Don't eat junk food. Can you eat healthy food? Speak slowly. Don't speak fast. Will you speak slowly? Turn on the light. Don't turn on the light. Can you turn on the light? Ask questions. Don't ask too many questions. Will you ask questions? Write clearly. Don't write unclearly. Can you write clearly? Close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Will you close your eyes? Walk carefully. Don't walk fast. Can you walk carefully? Do your homework. Don't forget your homework. Will you do your homework? Be honest. Don't lie. Can you be honest? Drink water. Don't drink soda. Will you drink water? Keep the door closed. Don't keep it open. Can you keep the door closed? Stop the car. Don't stop here. Will you stop the car? Turn around. Don't turn around now. Can you turn around? Go straight. Don't go straight. Will you go straight? Pick up the phone. Don't pick up the phone. Can you pick up the phone? Don't be late. Being late is bad. Will you not be late? Stand in line. Don't cut the line. Can you stand in line? Open the door. Don't open the door. Will you open the door? Finish your meal. Don't finish too fast. Can you finish your meal? Write a letter. Don't write a letter now. Will you write a letter? Be patient. Don't be impatient. Can you be patient? Take a photo. Don't take a photo here. Will you take a photo? Close the book. Don't close the book. Can you close the book? Turn off the TV. Don't turn off the TV now. Will you turn off the TV? Speak louder. Don't speak softly. Can you speak louder? Give me a hand. Don't give me a hand now. Will you give me a hand? Stay calm. Don't panic. Can you stay calm? Make a list. Don't make a list now. Will you make a list? Use your dictionary. Don't use a dictionary. Can you use your dictionary? Clean the table. Don't clean the table now. Will you clean the table? Turn the page. Don't turn the page. Can you turn the page? Be strong. Don't be weak. Will you be strong? Open your bag. Don't open your bag. Can you open your bag? Put on your shoes. Don't put on your shoes. Will you put on your shoes? Don't shout. Shouting is rude. Will you not shout? Call your mother. Don't call your mother now. Will you call your mother? Listen to me. Don't listen to him. Can you listen to me? Be quiet. Don't make noise. Will you be quiet? Do your best. Don't do your worst. Can you do your best? Keep your promises. Don't break promises. Will you keep your promises? Eat slowly. Don't eat fast. Can you eat slowly? Sleep early. Don't sleep late. Will you sleep early? Turn off your phone. Don't turn off your phone. Can you turn off your phone? Drive carefully. Don't drive fast. Will you drive carefully? Take care of yourself. Don't neglect yourself. Can you take care of yourself? Be honest. Don't lie. Will you be honest? Finish your tasks. Don't delay your tasks. Can you finish your tasks? Stand up straight. Don't slouch. Will you stand up straight? Be thankful. Don't complain. Can you be thankful? Make a phone call. Don't make a call now. Will you make a phone call?